Today, I want to show you how to divide two columns in a Google Sheets pivot table. I have a pivot table here, and I'd like to calculate the revenue divided by the unit price per category as I have here. So what I have to do is to click on this edit button from the pivot table and go to the values section over here and click add, and then click calculated field. And right off the bat, this is going to create this calculated field and it's going to automatically add equals 0, but we can delete the 0 and add our formula. And the way we're going to add our formula is simply by writing the name of the column that I want to divide. In my case, it's revenue, and then divided by, I'm going to add the quotes over here because my unit price column has a space in here, and for that we need to enter it. If you get the value error like I did here, it means that you need to replace the double quotes for single quotes. And once you do that and hit enter, you should get the value of your calculated field. This formula can be adjusted. For example, you can add a round over here. So just use the round formula from Google Sheets, and I'm going to round it to 3 decimals. And when I hit enter, watch what happens. We get the calculated field value over here. So this is how to divide two columns in a Google Sheet pivot table. Thumbs up the video if you liked it, and see you later.